Good evening everybody, and once again welcome back to your channel. Today in this video I want to show you how to leverage the merge into command into Apache Hudi. So in this lab we're going to spin up Minio, we're going to spin up Postgres, which is used as a HiveMetaStore. Then we will start the Spark SQL. We'll create a target Hudi table, we'll have some dummy data, and then we'll learn how we can use the merge into command to basically when a condition matches, we want to update certain columns, right? And if the condition does not match, we would want to insert those records. So let's learn how to leverage the merge into command in Apache Hudi with a simple hands-on lab. So the first step in the project is we would want to spin up the stack using the docker compose command. I will spin up the Postgres as the HiveMetaStore Minio container through Docker. So I will say docker compose up -- build -d. This will start all the containers running in the background. The next command is we would wanna start the Spark SQL running locally. We can leverage the following command. Here you can see I use the word Spark SQL. I provide in the required packages for that. Since I'm using Minio, I do need the Hadoop AWS package. And then over here you can see I'm passing all the configuration. So let me copy this and simply paste this on the terminal, and you will see that the Spark SQL has now been started. So let me adjust my screen quickly so you guys can see these labs. Okay, so here you can see I have my shell, and now I can run my simple SQL such as show databases. I should see default over here, right? Now I just wanted to let you know that all these commands are given on my LinkedIn blog and are explained as well. So in situation if you miss out on anything, hey, please do check out the written guide as well. Alright, so now we have the Spark SQL shell, right? As you can see over here. Now we're gonna start pasting commands one by one. So I'll go here. So the first one we would need is we need to create a target table, as you can see over here. This is the target Hudi table. And to teach you, again, I take very simple example, right? I have only 4 columns, so I'm gonna create this Hudi table. I'm using a table type as copy on right over here. So let me paste this. And as you can see, the table is now been created. If I go to Minio locally, if I simply go back, let me actually open it on a new tab. So you can go to localhost 9000, username is admin, and the password is password. Here you can see that target table. I don't have any data, okay? Now, what we will do is we're gonna create a fake mock CDC data, meaning data that has a column such as operation is insert, update, or delete, right? So all I'm doing is I'm just creating a temp view, okay, in Spark. So I'm gonna copy this command over here, paste this one over here, okay? So now if I do from this temp view, that is customer CDC source, so select everything from, all I want to show you is I have 3 records in that temp view, okay? That's all I wanted to show you. Now let's take a look at the merge into command. This is what is important, right? So look, merge into customer target. This is our target Hudi table, and I use the word as target I'm using the source table. Look here, using customer CDC source as source on line 42. And then here I provide the condition on target.customer ID and source.customer ID, right? When basically it matches, right? And if the operation is D, which means I want to delete the data from the target table. If matched and the operation is either insert or update, meaning if those value of the flag is I or U, then I want to set this particular columns. And if nothing matches, if it did not match, meaning when you join and if it did not match, then these are considered as an insert. So you see how we are leveraging the merge into command? Easy, right? So let's copy this. I'll run this one over here. Okay, and it's running. Perfect. And now what we can do is we can simply run an SQL on the target to make sure that everything came. Select everything from here you can see. Let me zoom out. Over here you can see, right, Alice, Bob, and 1 2 3, or if you can read that at least. All right, so now is the fun part. Now new data is coming in, so we'll have a new insert, an update, and a delete, and see how merge into command works flawlessly, right? So okay, all right, so again I'm gonna create a temp view, and here I have some records as insert. Then I have I think this is an old one, so let me go down. Yeah, okay, so here you can see I have some record as insert, I have some record which is an update, and then here I have a record which is a delete. So record number 3 is a delete, record number 2 is an update, and record number 5 is an insert. Okay, so let me copy this again. Okay, and I can actually see everything on the temp view. So select everything from this, so I can see these new records. Now I'm gonna again run the merge into command and see how everything works flawlessly. So I copy this again and let it run, and then we're gonna do a select star from the target table. So here, okay, select star from, look, maybe it's a little hard to see, but 1 2 4 and 5, record number 3 is gone. So yeah, if this is a little better, right? So you see how you guys can leverage merge into commands with Apache Hudi. You know, data warehouses like probably like Redshift, or they do offer merge into command, and so does Apache Hudi as well. So that's all I have for the video. I hope this video was useful, and if you have any further questions, you may use the comment window and ask the questions. With that being said, keep smiling, keep programming, keep learning, and stay healthy and safe, and I'll see you in the next video.